Okay, guys, one heck of a morning. First thing to say, I'm gonna go over shorting in this video. Again, my name is Mark Cox. I started trading when I was 18 years old. Um, I am now in college, so I'm going to also be showing in the near future. Stick around for the video of me going into how I trade while I'm in class. So, with that being said, today's shorting, and I am so sorry for those of you that are using Robinhood. I have a small account on my phone for Robinhood. That's around like $1,000, and I am down to like $970 because Robinhood screwed up so bad this morning. So, with that being said, DCTH would have worked awesome this morning if you guys were in it and if you guys had support lines like I taught you in the last video. And I can put a link to the last video in the comments below if you want to go check out how I go long on these. But today we're talking about how I go short. And literally, I am going to make this so simple. And all I do is, most of you know who Tim Sykes is, and I basically go off of what his chat room is talking about because he's got so many traders in there that when somebody mentions something, there's 1,000 other guys going to look at this. So what that means is you're adding another 1,000 traders into that stock that wasn't there before. So, or more. There's multiple. There's so many people in his chat rooms. So every night he sends a watch list, and I get on it, or every morning I look at it, and I look at his shorts. And tops fell quite dramatically, quite a lot in this past few hours. So currently it's at like $1.50. My internet is like non-existing here, so I just kind of got a freeze frame of this, and I can kind of mess around with it. So what today's is, basically Tops was on his watch list, and so was Dries, but Dries had no action. And basically what I do is I wait for these stocks that he picks to run up, and he'll say short. So his two were Tops and Dries, like I said, and then Tops ran, and I instantly thought, wait for the top, because it'll go down. Once it gets up so high, it'll fall back down. And boy, did I nail it. So today, this is what I traded. I was in here at $1.60. I got lucky. I saw it falling. I saw this this bigger candle right here, and it went up. And there just didn't seem to be any buyers above $1.70, or even at $1.70, or anything close to that. So I figured that's not going to work, and the only option I see now is shorting, like Tim Sykes said. So, and I don't go off of other people's trades, I go off of strictly my own thoughts, because see, you could have got in here when it went red a little bit, but I didn't. I waited it out. I saw that there was more. If you look down here on level 2, there was plenty going on. And I went to this up here, and basically I saw that it stayed here for just a second at $1.62. So I went down and I tried to get short as soon as possible. I got very lucky, not gonna lie. I got short at $1.60 through E-Trade, and I rode it all the way down to a dollar. I want to say $1.44, $1.45 is where I got executed. I believe $1.45 is my average, I believe. But look at this. I mean, it's back up to $1.50 now, but $1.60 to $1.45, I'll take that all day long. That's almost, I don't even know what that is actually. We're going to look. I don't know. But either way, guys, that is a 9% move. I will take 9% every day of my life. I don't average these kind of numbers usually. I've usually averaged 6 and 7%, but the past few days I've averaged 10%. So every day I'm going to take that. So yes, I did take profits like a cent too early. Sue me, life. But you're not going to nail them perfectly. I got very lucky getting executed at $1.60 average for going short. And guys, this stock, the past repeats itself. Tim Sykes says this all the time, and I know a lot of you have watched him, but Tim Sykes repeats it. The past repeats itself, and it happens over and over and over. So the stock dries, the stock tops are the two that we looked at today. They both have a history of failing, and after they have big run-ups, they have history of failing multiple times and on multiple days. So just get slight little run-ups. It's basically the opposite of the other video that I showed you. Or the other one, we were looking for that dip down here and then to shoot up, and this did that, but not to the pre-market support. It's to a past support. So basically today we did the opposite. We waited for a past support up top. I'm sure there was one over here. I honestly don't remember looking at it. It's been a few hours. But then I realized that it wasn't going to go any further, and I got in. And then this, it kind of hesitated around here, and this is where I literally held it to here at that $1.43, and I didn't feel like I was going to get executed there, so I tried, and I ended up getting executed at $1.45, which is not a bad thing whatsoever. I mean, what is that, 15 cents? I'll take that all day long, guys. So with that being said, I want to keep this video very short and simple. I know there wasn't really a whole lot to teach here, but if you have questions on shorting, please comment below, and I'll sit down at one time when we've got comments down there, and I will answer them all at once. Okay, guys, my computer had just a little glitch in it, and I don't know what happened. So my OBS stopped recording, and I just want to wrap up with, guys, anybody can do this. It's not going to take a brain surgeon to do this. I teach people on the side of this, and I teach people exactly what I'm going to tell you here, and you're getting it for free. So take what you got, take YouTube, take the Facebook group that we have, all the people's information that you have, and run with it. You don't have to pay a killing to learn this. I have not paid very much at all. I do have a subscription to Tim Sykes', like the cheapest one he can get. I don't know if it's silver or not. But anyway, the cheapest one he's got just to get the stocks. I want to see what people are looking at because he has such a following. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.